So you clicked on this video because you want to know some tips, some tricks, some insider knowledge when it comes to sailing Carnival. Well, you're in the right place. Welcome aboard. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you 11 must-have tips, tricks, and things you need to know for your next Carnival cruise. So whether you're a first timer or you're even a seasoned cruiser, I guarantee I'm going to have something for you. And these tips will help you make the most of your vacation. So if you're ready, let's dive in. Tip number 1, you absolutely should book early. Now, not only will this get you the best choice of cabins, but you can also take advantage of a lot of the early bird discounts and the promotions that Carnival is always putting on. You can always keep an eye on Carnival's website for any of the special deals as well. So no matter whether you want to go to Alaska or the Caribbean or all places in between, that is where you're going to find the best deals, but you got to check the site. Tip number 2, download the Carnival Hub app before you sail. You can find it in the Apple Store, the Google Play Store. Now, this app is going to be a game changer because it's going to offer your daily schedules, your restaurant menus. It's even got a chat feature so you can stay connected with your family and friends. The app is just going to have all that extra little information that you normally would get in your paper daily, but right there in the palm of your hand. All right, here's tip number 3. You're going to want to pack smart by bringing those essentials. You know you got to have sunscreen, you got to bring your swimwear if you water, and of course, some formal attire for elegant nights. But one point about that, formal is not necessarily a tux and a formal dress ball gown for a lady. It's just maybe a nice sports coat and slacks or suit. Also, don't forget to bring power adapter because you're probably going to need some extra outlets and a small first aid kit because you just never know what may happen on your excursion or just going out and around the ship. Tip number 4 is you're going to want to arrive at the port early so you can avoid the long lines. Now, I'm not saying come super early because some cruise lines will actually make you wait outside, but just make sure you get there a little bit earlier so you have more time to explore the ship once you get on board. Now, this will also give you extra time in case of any unexpected delays that you may have as well. So my recommendation would be if you can come in an extra day or 2 before your cruise, do that. It's okay to come in the day of, but just know how flights can be, how traffic can be, depending on the port you're choosing. Time for tip number 5. Now, on embarkation day, take some time to explore the ship. I can't stress that enough. Familiarize yourself with key areas like the dining rooms, the pool decks, the entertainment venues, so it's easier for you to navigate a little bit easier later on. Most people like to get on board. First thing they want to do is put their bags down, go grab a bite, and then just walk. Don't try to take it all in the same day. You don't have to do that, but just start section by section so you know where the things that you're looking for the most are, and you may find some unexpected surprises as well. Tip number 6. Now, if you like to eat like me, then those specialty dining options are going to fill up fast. So you got to make your reservations as soon as possible so that you can enjoy Carnival's top-notch cuisine. You know what I mean? Now, tip number 7 should be a no-brainer at this point. You cannot miss the Carnival Sail-Away Party. This is one of the reasons why some people even book this cruise line to begin with. It's a great way to kick off your vacation with music, dancing, and a whole lot of fun activities on deck. And I'm telling you, I don't know of any other cruise line that can do a sail-away party like Carnival Cruise Line can. Here's another tip for you. Now, Carnival offers a wide range of activities from water slides to mini golf to roller coasters on certain ships to trivia games. Just make sure you check your daily schedule to make sure that you don't miss out on any of the fun. Remember that app I told you a couple of steps back? That's where that's going to come in handy. So Carnival is known for its incredible entertainment, and I want to make sure you attend some of the Broadway style shows. Definitely hit up the comedy clubs. They've got some A1 comedians. The live music performances, those are just unforgettable activities that you're going to find on a Carnival cruise ship. Even the DJ, the nightclub, they get it in. Carnival entertainment, hands down. If you come in to party and have a good time with your family and friends, this is a good tip for you. Tip number 10. Now, you're not going to spend your entire cruise vacation on the ship, right? Then make sure you book your shore excursions in advance so you can secure your spot on some of the most popular tours, whether it's snorkeling or the city tours or beach days. Carnival's got something for everyone. Each port is going to have something for everyone. Just kind of do a little bit of research beforehand, just like you're doing for this video right here. And tip number 11, finally, is the part that no one likes. You've got to plan for disembarkation day. And now, if you've noticed, like me, around the second or third day, they're already telling you about time to get off the ship. So maybe you should kind of do the same. Plan ahead. Pack your bags the night before and know your designated departure time so you can ensure a smooth and stress-free end to your cruise. Now, I know a lot of people like to try to get off early, and you realize by the time you get downstairs that the line is 18,000 miles long. Just plan accordingly. And you came on to relax. Get off in a relaxed way as well. All right, so I hope that these 11 must-have tips, tricks, and things to know help you have an amazing Carnival cruise. Now, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you want more travel tips and cruise adventures the Addy and Terry way. And while you're there, you may as well click on this video right here, the 15 must-know tips for your next Carnival cruise. Until then, y'all, bon voyage.